This is our 2013 63 plate Toyota Hilux. So it's got the 3-litre diesel engine. And it's the Invincible model. It's finished in black. And this comes with the front fog lights, headlamp washers, alloy wheels. And as you can see, it's got a great set of BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. It has electric windows all round, electric power fold wing mirrors with chrome mirror caps. These are also heated. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto lights. It's covered just over 66,000 miles. It's got touchscreen navigation with reverse camera, climate control. It's got the selectable off-road modes, front centre armrest and the leather upholstery. As you can see from these images, the car's or the truck is in good condition. Obviously it has been used, so there are a few little tiny marks here and there. It's got the side steps, alloy wheels all in good condition, the buck area again all in good condition. It's got a load liner fitted, which again shows some signs of use, and it's got the Truckman top. There's a little bit of wear across the top of the tailgate there. It's got the reversing camera. There's a few little dents on the tailgate, but nothing major. And it's got the tow bar, which we actually fitted last year, so it's not had a great deal of use. It's got a couple of roof bars on the Truckman top. Tyres are all good. They're between 8 and 10 millimeters all round. And again, we fitted those for the previous owner. He's a good customer of ours. So the truck's got a full service history plus one recently carried out by ourselves. And there's no VAT on this truck. It's privately owned, so there's no VAT on the final price. Comes with an MOT that runs through until November 22 with no advisories. If you click on the link at the end of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website where you'll find additional information along with finance calculators.